Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So it seems to be a slow Saturday, at least it starts slowly. We are dealing here with a situation in which Ethereum is still in this corrective price channel to the downside. It might have completed 3 waves to the upside of the October lows. You might be able to count it as a 5-wave move. That would be our alternative. Then we have to prepare for a deeper pullback, but it would be part of a bullish scenario. So either we get this current wave 4 pullback or it's a wave 2. I will start to focus on a wave 2 if there is a break below 1839. At the moment, I am counting the decline primarily as a wave 4 with one more wave to go. That is in line with what Bitcoin is doing. It is also in line with what total market cap is doing, which also seems to, well, not need another high, but it would look better with one more high. The current structure on crypto total market cap would look better with one more high. So it might also do its wave 4 like Ether at the moment and then give it another go to the upside. Now let's go back to the Ether chart. And looking at the microstructure, I'm counting the move down as correction, which is caught in this corrective price channel. Ideally, we stay within the channel and do not break it to the downside. Okay, if we do, then at least I'd like it to hold 1839. I can get away with counting it as a wave 4 all the way down to 1769, but it would be better if it's holding 1839. As I said, below that level, I will start to look at a deeper wave 2 pullback, which again would also be corrective. It would just allow for just more of a price drop. The pattern is pretty much full. We've got an ABC pattern there. There are different ways how I can count this. That's normal in a correction. It's not so important to understand what kind of pattern is unfolding here. It's more important to understand, what are the relevant support levels, which are clearly defined here. We could even say that this ABC is part of a larger WXY structure in which we are now here dealing with the Y wave at the moment, which might be finished. It might get another low, but overall the pattern can be counted as complete. It's just something to be aware of. Just because a pattern is complete doesn't mean it has to have bottomed, but it means that we can look for a reversal here. Now, at the moment, as I said yesterday, I will not rule out another low in this orange box. It would take a break above 1992, which is this swing high that was made on Friday, basically yesterday, to indicate that a low has been established. I shared with you yesterday that double bottoms rarely hold, and that is why I would prefer another low in this region, which happened. Then someone commented, so that person thought that double bottoms are reversal patterns. Not really. That's what they tell you. That's what you find everywhere. But it's not. It looks good when it is a double bottom. It typically looks good, but you rarely find them really. So you see typically those reversals are just one dip. Here as well, double bottoms rarely hold. So when you get a double bottom like this one as well, it just shows weakness. It shows weakness, and eventually it might drop or fail. It is, it's not the highly reliable reversal pattern that you might think it is. Therefore, I was preferring another low, which happened. And also here the last rally was only in 3 waves, so I cannot rule out that we make another low here. This is not strong enough. It's not impulsive. It's not a 5-wave move up of this low when we hit our support at 1909. So maybe it gets another low here. Ideally, that's it then. And it takes a break above 1902 to suggest that a low is in this wave 4. Ideally, we would then break also above the corrective price channel and above the B wave high at $2,092. That's my update about ETH. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Twitter, or X, how they call it now. By the way, I have to thank everybody. We now have reached 10,000 followers on X, formerly Twitter. So yeah, thanks everybody. If you're interested in getting more content, additional content, some updates, stuff about mindset trading and so on, then yeah, feel free to follow our accounts there as well, Instagram and Twitter. The links are also in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.